In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take screenshots on Windows 10. Whether you want to capture your entire screen or just a specific part of it, Windows 10 offers several quick and easy options to get the job done. Let's explore these methods so you can decide which one works best for your needs. First off, one of the simplest ways to take a screenshot in Windows 10 is by using the print screen key, often labeled as Part-ESIN on your keyboard. When pressed, this key captures your entire screen. But where does this screenshot go? It's temporarily copied to your clipboard. You can then paste it into any application that supports images like Paint or Microsoft Word by pressing Ctrl+V. If you need a file saved automatically, you can use a slightly different method. Press the Windows key in combination with the print screen key, Windows key plus Part-ESCN. Doing so captures the entire screen and automatically saves it as a PNG file in your Pictures Screenshots folder. This is a great option if you want to keep a copy of your screen capture for future use without any additional steps. For those of you looking for more versatility, the snipping tool or its newer sibling, Snip and Sketch, offers a more advanced experience. To use this tool, simply search for Snipping Tool or Snip and Sketch in the search bar located in your taskbar. Once opened, these tools give you more control over what you capture. You have multiple modes to choose from. The rectangular snip lets you select and capture a rectangular area of your screen. The freeform snip allows you to draw a freehand shape and capture exactly that. The window snip captures only a selected window, and the full screen snip takes a screenshot of your entire screen, much like the print screen key. After you've captured your snip, you can use built-in editing tools to annotate or highlight important areas, use the pen to draw, the highlighter to mark key text, or the eraser to clean up mistakes. Once you're satisfied with your capture, make sure to save it to your desired location to keep it for future reference. These tools are perfect for enhancing your productivity, whether you need to share your screen capture with colleagues or save important information quickly. Taking screenshots in Windows 10 is a straightforward process with options catering to different needs. Now you're all set to capture anything on your screen with ease. Happy screenshotting?